This video is about how to pair the watch with your smartphone. Hold down C button for about 2 seconds to return to timekeeping mode from any other mode. Download and install Casio Watches app on your smartphone. Start the app and agree the software user agreement and privacy notice. Tap My Watch and log in with Casio Ed to register your watch. Register the watch with the module number printed on the back cover and the date of purchase. Hold down D button for about 2 seconds to start the connection when indicated. For more tutorial videos, please subscribe G-Shock Middle East and Africa YouTube channel, and like our videos.